guys, welcome to another video of barbecue. This week, well, like always, I'm gonna try to do something special. I'm gonna do some what I call pork bucket. We're gonna take some pork and we're gonna make a fillet of it, and we're gonna put some ingredient as you're gonna see on your screen, and we put it on the barbecue. It really doesn't cost that much. I think it's going to be even lower than the other recipe that we done in the past. It's going to be under $3 per serving, so it's kind of great. It's very tasty. It's something nice to do, and if you want to impress your guests, because that's nice, you can serve it with a little barbecue sauce if you want on it. For me, I like it as is. So again, question of taste. So let's go and see it. We're going to put it on the barbecue. Let's go to the ingredient. guys, this is it for this week. So I hope you enjoy, and again, I hope you try it. It's a great recipe. You're gonna like it, I'm sure. It's a little bit more work, but it's very cheap to make. So give it a go, guys. So have a good week, and I hope to see you on the next barbecue video. Take care, guys. Ciao.